How to change featured photos on iPhone. To get started, first of all go to your iPhone home screen. The home screen is the primary interface for accessing apps, widgets, and system controls. Over here, go to the Featured Photos widget as shown and tap on it. This is your featured photo. Now, go back and hold the photo again. Then, tap on Edit widget. Here, tap on the album name as shown. Go to the Suggestions section at the top and select the photo from your favorites folder. You have now successfully changed the featured photo on your phone. This way, you get more control over your experience with the device. Following these steps, you can easily change featured photos on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.